Good morning, Year 10. You're going to do an investigation today using data. But I had a friend contact me and she's been given the choice of buying 2 beauty salons. And she would like us to help her decide which one by using our statistics. So we need to provide her with some information about which one she should buy, but also we need to give reasons for the answer. We're going to use our PowerPoint knowledge to present this information, and it's going to be up to each person in your group to provide and be prepared to answer any of the questions. So here's the information. The information we have so far is the table below, which providing the number of clients which goes to the salon. And it's a 15-week amount of data. So, for example, Salon A in week 1 had 50 people. Week 2, it had 52. If I look at Salon B in week 1, they had 26 people, and in week 2, 24. And it goes right through to 15. This is what you will need to do to help make your decision. Your first activity is to complete a dot plot for Salon A and Salon B. You need to comment on the distribution of the data. And these are the words we've been looking at to correctly explain how data might be distributed. Exercise 1206 on page 204 is going to be your resource or reference for this. Your second task is you have to complete a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Again, you need to comment on the distribution of the data. For the back-to-back and stem and leaf plot, if you click on this, we have this video.
We're going to do a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. What this allows you to do is compare 2 different sets of data together at the same time. So a back-to-back stem and leaf plot, I'm going to scroll this up a little bit. For this example, we're comparing females to males.
Of course, you will be comparing Salon A with Salon B. Also, exercise 1207 is an excellent reference for you to prepare your notes. So you're also required to write these notes in your reference books about back-to-back stem and leaf plots, and you need to include the example. So 1207, back-to-back stem and leaf plots. A back-to-back stem and leaf plots compare 2 data sets. So for example 8, they're comparing 10 green with 10 yellow, the project marks. We have our stem down here. Yellow is across one side, green the other. But the leaves are important because they need to be organised in numerical order. Again, all of this will need to go into your reference book. Then for each salon, you're going to look at finding the mean, mode, median and range. As an extension, some of you might like to try and use an Excel spreadsheet. And I've started here. And I'll delete that data. But once I've got that data there, I can then use my formula bar and talk about the mean. I could organise the data from highest to lowest, and hopefully you know what measure that will be helping me do. Then you're going to write a comment about on what measures would not help your decision. Depends on the data. We're then going to present the data in a PowerPoint using sentence starters that I've given you. So the PowerPoint begins with an introduction, dot plot for Salon A, dot plot for Salon B, a back-to-back stem and leaf plot, compare the data exercise, and then the conclusion. And as I said, these are just sentence starters. I would purchase Salon A, because, and reasons. This is sometimes known as justifying. So you have reasons provided by new numbers to support your answer. Good luck. Be careful. There could be roadworks along the way. You might have to stop and change, but that's what would really happen. Have fun and good luck.